All right, we're going to jump into now module 10, which is our third of four modules that we're covering in a 2 week period. All right. And then, so what we're going to be doing today is covering error handling. And like I said before, we are covering four modules in 2 weeks, but none of them is a huge amount of work or a huge amount of material. It just makes more sense to separate them because they are different concepts. So this time, this module is regarding error handling. And we've been sort of talking around this throughout the semester, like how do we prevent user errors, right? How do we do things that keep people sort of safe from themselves as they use your program? Keep the program from crashing because you ask for a number and they enter the word TWO instead of the digits, right? So today we're actually going to learn two different philosophies for handling errors that will prevent your programs from crashing. And you're going to learn both. And then it's up to you as the programmer to decide when to use one versus the other. And sometimes when to use both.